This is the Ferris Wheel Kit. I'll just plug it in with this USB power adapter. So this is the mode it comes on in, and as you can see, it's quite colourful, spins round and round. You can stop it turning around if you want, which if you're going to leave it for a long time probably be a good idea, because it's got some sort of slip rings to take the power up to the LED board, but just run on a PCB, so they're going to wear through eventually. But you could just you can easily disconnect the motor. It's got a little plug and socket. So that's the mode it comes on in. It's got an infrared remote control on it. Comes with this control, so it's good for testing it when you've built it. If I put it into a test mode, that's letting me light up the innermost ring of LEDs, and I can use the plus and minus sign on the remote to move out or in a ring at a time. And there's also some test modes that do the rows rather than the columns, if you like, of the LED matrix. It's also got on the power input lead, when I'm powering it off the USB stick, you can plug that into some audio device, and it's got some modes then where it reacts to the audio. I haven't found those to be very good so far. I might do a bit more experimentation. So takes quite a bit of doing to solder it. It's there's 180 LEDs that you've got to solder, so it's not for the faint-hearted. I'll just switch it off, and that's the mode it starts up in, where it's just doing these sort of random patterns. You can also increase and decrease the speed of the animation. If I make it go, I think it's 9 on the remote to make it go, is that slower? Yeah, and maybe 6 to make it go faster. But I think the default's pretty good. So there you go. You get them from Banggood or AliExpress, probably on eBay as well. Make a good Christmas decoration, I suppose, although probably a bit late to get one now for this year. But anyway, as always, thanks for watching. Like and subscribe if you want to do that, and I'll see you in the next video.